guys, welcome back to another video. We haven't posted in like a couple of days and weeks, so we got my boy Tristan. Probably wondering what we're doing outside. As you guys can see, this is my GB Motor dirt bike. It's really fast. So I'm gonna give you a little tour, and Tristan's gonna film me riding it soon. This is the gas compartment. You got a little bit of gas in it. Brakes, both work.
Rear and front brakes.
Kill switch. The
Throttle.
Nice suspension, really.
And the choke.
Show you guys.
And the exhaust. We'll start.
Right here. Alright, film me.
Hold on. Let's start it
I
up.
can start it.
There you go.
Dang it, man. It doesn't, like, start on the first try. If you don't let it warm up,
Pretty fast. It's kind of cold outside today.
looking down the road, I can't really like drive it in the trailer park, but yeah, it's, as you guys can see, it's like, it goes pretty decent fast. As you can see, it's pretty dirty because I've been driving it for a long time. Well, a couple of days.
49cc engine.
And I want to show them what it looks like when you're sitting driving on it. This is basically what you see. You see a really skinny bar right here, and a nice, like, the detail of this just looks so good.
Tell them what her name is.
What?
Tell them what her name is.
The name is Betty. And you're probably wondering what happened to this right here.
He tried to pop a wheelie and then the fender broke off.
Yeah.
But
long story straight.
then we
unscrewed that. That's why that's here.
good.
Yeah, this is the GB Moto. It's
But it looks good, but it was bigger.
it's on Amazon. Type in GB Moto. It's like around $299 right now. It's on sale for like $300 right now. And so yeah, this is the exhaust right here. This is broke. This bike, dirt bikes don't last for long, but if you guys get one, make sure you like comment down below.
Take good care of it.
Yeah,
Wash it.
because I don't got a power wash. The suspension is really good. It hops a lot. So yeah, guys, tiny tires and stuff.
We'll cut to this when it's in the house.
Hey guys, we're back inside where it's warm and nice and cozy. So, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because we're going to try to post every day. I'm trying, it's kind of hard to post, So yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, post notifications. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye.